Our topic of discussion for today is alcohols and their antagonists. The alcohols and their antagonists are classified into alcohols. The alcohols are further subclassified into methanol, ethanol, and ethylene, glycol. Drugs used to treat the alcohol withdrawal symptoms. What are alcohol withdrawal symptoms? Alcohol withdrawal symptoms are symptoms that appear when alcohol use is abruptly withdrawn. These symptoms are insomnia, tremors, delirium tremens, seizures, arrhythmias, and others. These symptoms are treated by using thiamine, that is vitamin B1, and also the sedative hypnotics. Sedative hypnotics are also used to treat the alcohol withdrawal symptoms. The example of sedative hypnotics is diazepam. Now, there are drugs that are used to treat the alcohol dependence. These drugs are disulfiram, acamprosate, and the next drug is naltrexone, an opioid receptor antagonist. There are also the drugs for methanol and ethylene glycol intoxication. These drugs are fomepizole and ethanol. What does this fomepizole do? Normally, methanol is converted into formaldehyde, and which is further converted into formic acid. These are toxic metabolites. When formic acid is formed, then acidosis in the body occurs, and the visual disturbances also occur. This methanol conversion into formaldehyde requires alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. What this fomepizole does, it inhibits this alcohol dehydrogenase, and therefore conversion of methanol into formaldehyde and then formic acid is decreased. Furthermore, what ethanol does, ethanol competitively inhibits the conversion of this methanol into formaldehyde. Competitively inhibits the conversion of methanol into formaldehyde, and therefore the formation of these toxic products is reduced. This is all about the classification of alcohols and their antagonists. We will discuss each and every class in the next videos. Thank you.